Sonia, what is the difference between wants and needs?
That's a great question, Aldo. Let's talk about wants and needs and go over some examples.
Great! Examples make it easier to learn. Is this video a want or a need?
Well, watching this video is a want, but we all need to learn about ourselves and the world we live in.
That makes sense, Sonia. Thanks for the example. How about video games? I need to play video games.
Video games are a good example of a want. Wants are nice to have, but we don't need them to survive.
Are you sure about that? I'm not sure I could survive without video games.
Yes, Aldo, I'm absolutely sure. Wants are like sprinkles on a cupcake. They make life more fun, but we can still live without them.
Video games sure do make life more fun.
I bet. Maybe you want a new video game, a shiny new bike, or a big bag of candy. These are wants. While they make us happy, we don't need them to stay healthy and alive.
My mom always says I have to take care of my needs before I play video games.
That's good advice, Aldo. We need food to keep our bodies strong, water to stay hydrated, a house for shelter to keep us safe, and clothes to protect us from the sun and elements.
So, we need these to be comfortable? Is that why they are needs?
Needs may make us feel more comfortable, but wants can make us more comfortable too. I like fluffy pillows, but fluffy pillows are a want.
Oh, we need things that will keep us safe now and in the future.
That's right, Aldo. Going to school and learning is a need. Learning about things will help you take care of yourself and stay safe.
Can we go over some more examples of wants and needs, please?
Sure. Is pizza a want or need?
A want or need? I think I know this one. Kids, how about you?
Those are good guesses, kids. Aldo, what do you think?
I'd like pizza to be a need, but it is a want. Food sounds like it is a need, though.
That's right, Aldo. Food is a need, but pizza is a want.
It is yummy. We need food to live, but it doesn't always have to be pizza.
Next up is water. What does everyone think? Is it a want or a need?
I think you have this one, kids.
Yes, water is definitely a need. We can't live without it. Let's do one last example, kids. Is sleep a want or a need?
Sleep, how I love thee. Great guess, kids. Sleep is a need. If we don't get enough sleep, our bodies can't grow and repair themselves.
Knowing the difference between wants and needs is super important.
Is it important for adults too?
Absolutely, Aldo. We need to know the difference between wants and needs to make important choices about how we use our money and time.
Time is precious.
It is indeed. Time is a treasure.
If we focus too much on wants, we might not get enough of the stuff we need.
Correct.
Thanks for joining us again on Sofia the Adventurer. Please like this video and subscribe if you like fun and educational videos.
Bye, everyone.